Hello everyone! Today we are crocheting a cute little moon. Let's start by making a slip knot our hook and then make a foundation chain of 10 stitches. Now we skip the first chain from the hook and work into the second chain. Insert your hook and make one slip stitch. In the next chain, work one single crochet. In the next chain, we need to make an increase to start our curve. Work to half double crochets into the same stitch. In the next chain, we will make a larger increase to add width. Work 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Now we've reached the center of our moon. In the next chain, work 3 treble crochets into the same stitch. This makes the widest part of the curve. Now we will start decreasing the height to mirror the other side. In the next chain, work 3 double crochets into the same stitch. We are getting closer to the tip. In the next chain, work to half double crochets into the same stitch. Almost done. In the next chain, work one single crochet. Finally, to finish the second tip of our moon, make one slip stitch into the last chain. Then cut your yarn and pull it through to fasten off. Our little crescent moon is ready. You can attach a ring to use it as a cute keychain. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like, write a comment and subscribe to the channel.